Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today I'm sharing one simple yet powerful QiGong movement that you must try. This movement boosts the flow of qi through the two main energy channels in our bodies and relieve stiffness and tension. Now let's get started. The movement of the spinal cord breathing can be done standing or be seated. When you're standing, feet are hip width or slightly wider. Bring your hands to your sides, make a loose fist. Inhale, open the chest, look up, arch forward. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, round into the spine, bring the arms closer. Back and forth, moving with your breath. When we practice Qigong, it is very important to wear comfortable clothes, loose and comfortable. I really like this outfit from Slightly Buddha. Slightly Buddha. There's a link and discount code below if you're interested. When you gently arch forward, opening the chest and stretching the conception channel, the Ren channel. That is along the front of the body. Feel the qi expanding and flowing. When you round, pumping qi along the spine, the Du channel, the governing channel of the body. With each breath, flow smoothly. Between these two positions, let the movement to be gentle and natural, connecting your breath to the energy flow. We can add a little variations. When you rise up, open to the left, finding a little twist through the spine. And then exhale, tuck the chin, tuck your tailbone, round into it. Inhale, rise, open to the right. Exhale, pumping qi along your spine. Do one more on each side. This time when you lift, open the chest, open the armpit, look up, and then round. Bring the elbows to touch, bring your hands to touch, and wiggle your hips side to side. Finding the hip rotation, the core is slightly engaged, and then rise up, breathe in, open the spinal joints along the front of the spine. As you move through your spine, notice how the joint articulate, allowing each vertebrae to move in sequence, one after next. Let's do two more. Last one. And rise up, release the hands to your sides. Practice this just a few minutes a day. You will notice a difference in your energy level, your posture, your flow of qi in the body. So incorporate this movement into your routine. Thank you for practicing with me. Let me know how it goes for you. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, take good care of yourself.